Okay guys, it's nighttime, and I dug around some more and I found this other really weird file. It's called Message to Noel from Mary Ann. Let's read. It's really short, as you may notice. Hello, Noel. It's your wife here, Mary Ann. Please excuse my language, but stay the fuck out of the woods. If you don't want to die or get a divorce, perhaps I recommend you to stay out of there. If you die, you can't blame me. You're a good man, Noel. You know I love you. But you're only putting yourself in danger. Not like I believe there's anything in the woods anyway, except for dangerous animals. So yeah, that's still very much a big deal. Regards, Mary Ann. P.S. Why does the A key, I only assume that's what she was trying to say, not work? Oh yeah, right. I can't type it. Fuck. P.P.S. I keep misspelling things. This goddamn keyboard. And that's about all I found. And I also found some really weird drawings, but I don't find any correlation between the files regarding Noel and those. So I don't think they'd be really useful for finding out what has happened to Noel. If you want to see them, I could post them, but as of now, I don't find them really useful. For now, I will keep you without any updates because I don't think there's anything else that we should uncover. I'll maybe come to visit the person who has sold me this and maybe ask them about Noel and see if they can give me anything. We'll see, guys. I'll give you updates as soon as I get them. For now, goodbye.